Portuguese superstar Cristiano Ronaldo, who was in news recently for his explosive interview, created history on Instagram as he became the first sports person to reach 500 million followers on Instagram. Ronaldo is also one of the highest paid athletes on Instagram. Apart from Instagram, Ronaldo is also extremely popular on other social media platforms. He has over 105 million followers on Twitter and over 154 million followers on Facebook. Lionel Messi, Virat Kohli, Neymar are some of the other athletes who boast of a huge fan following on Instagram after Ronaldo. Football icon Cristiano Ronaldo in a recent interview had stated that he doesn't chase records, rather the records chase him. The statement has been proved quite right many times, but it was proved true once again when Ronaldo created another record, but this time off the field. Ronaldo now almost has the double number of followers than former Indian captain Virat Kohli. Argentine superstar Lionel Messi is on the second spot in the list of most followers as he has 3.76 million on Instagram. Last year, the Portuguese football superstar reached 500 million followers on social media. Ronaldo became the first celebrity to reach the milestone figure across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Ronaldo also has more than 105 million followers on Twitter. Television personality Kylie Jenner is at the third spot with 3.46 million followers, while Selena Gomez and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson are at the fourth and fifth spot. Virat Kohli is on the seventh spot in the list with 2.03 million followers. Recently, Ronaldo and Lionel Messi posed together on a chessboard and the picture immediately went viral. Ronaldo's Twitter post about the same has garnered more than 1.6 million likes. Ronaldo was suspended for the Premier League club's 1-1 draw at Chelsea after refusing to come on as a substitute against Tottenham last month. The 37-year-old claimed during the interview that he felt provoked into that reaction by Ten Hag. In response to Ronaldo's interview, Manchester United said they have started taking appropriate steps.